Hey guys, long time no see. Sorry I haven't uploaded anything in a while. I've just been really tired from work, and frankly, I didn't have anything too interesting to show off. But I know someone will like this fan. This is my Hunter Passport 3. I forgot I owned. This pretty much sat in storage for about a year, or maybe even longer, before I finally decided to hang it and see how it performed. So as you can see, I'm in my bedroom, and it's that time of year where I would like a bigger fan since it is getting warmer outside. It's actually a very nice 60-something degrees outside today. A little windy, but not too bad. And yeah, this fan is a little big for this room, but gives a very good breeze. And what else? Oh, let's get it started now, remember. Take a seat here so you can get a better look at it. So this particular one is from February of 2002. I believe that's what the date means, 02. I think this is when they stopped using that silly first quarter of the year thing that they would date their old fans with. So I can't remember if I've had any experience with the Passport 3. It's probably one of those fans I've seen in real life, but I pretty much never acknowledged existed. I've had more experience with the older Passports, and I honestly forgot this one existed. I believe it has that Air Max motor. I could be mistaken, though. Go to medium. And I'm going to be honest, this fan may not last long in here. Only because of a little problem that may or may not show up when it's on high. And it's not the bearings. They're actually pretty good on the fan. So as with most of the Hunters I own, the last owner decided to close mount it and throw away the down rod, so I don't have any down rod for this, so it's obviously close mounted. Doesn't seem to hurt the fan's performance too much. It's still really good. Whoops. You can kind of see it in the mirror there. It's kind of cool looking. Almost looks like two of them. Yeah, on low I can feel the air moving, but that's about it. It's nothing impressive. On medium, that's a very good breeze, actually, and it's pretty much what I leave it on most of the time anyway. We'll jump it up to high here. Alright, let's see if it makes the noise. It's my favorite spot to film fans because I get to lie down in bed and do it. Okay, I guess it's being silent for this video. But one really annoying problem with these kind of Hunters, this little cover on the switch cap. Every now and then there'll be a little rattle coming from it when it spins, only on high though. Doesn't seem to be doing it now, so seems I've got lucky this time, but who knows, it may show up again. So that little problem is quite annoying at night, because in the day it doesn't bother me, but when you're trying to sleep at night and you want to run your fan on high, it's kind of annoying. Come on, camera, focus. So, like I said, it's probably not going to last long in here. I just was curious to test this fan, and it's a shame because I think it fits my bedroom really nice with the wood paneling and the off-white ceiling. I also have the lighter side down on the blades because I like how the lighter side looks more than the dark one. And the last owner had it like that, and frankly, the lighter side was much cleaner despite the scuffs you saw on it. And we'll do spin down. Spin down takes a little while on this fan. I think it's shy of 3 minutes, or about 2.5 minutes, somewhere in there. So I found this fan at one of my restores. They were having a sale, and this was among many other fans that were pretty cheap. This one was like anywhere from $5 to $10 after the discount, so I had to jump on it. Just because you don't seem to come across these too well, I know I don't come across these too often. I've only seen maybe one other Passport 3 at a restore. Oh, I just remembered. I believe when I was living in New York, I was living on college. They had a small house on campus for staff. It was vacant at the time, and we were cleaning it up. I'm not sure if I filmed them, but I believe that house had a Passport 3. It had the famous large mushroom globe that Hunter had for a lot of their fans, like the Vista. But that fan had pretty much a seized up reverse switch and a destroyed capacitor. Low speed didn't work at all, medium speed barely worked, and high was more like low on this fan. That one was terrible. There was some other modern fan, or newer one, a Harbor Breeze thing. The name escapes me. Wasn't an impressive one. And then that 52-inch Hampton Bay Glendale that was missing a blade screw. I actually own that Glendale now. I just need to get screws for it. It's kind of funny. The maintenance guy remembered I like fans, and he saved it for me. So it was a pretty nice free gift from him. Yeah, that fan is in good shape too. So I'll see if I can get it working again. I just got to get screws for it is all. I always thought the Passport 3 had a really confusing design because from a distance it looks really vintage until you get up close to it and you start seeing some of the modern accents of the fan, like the brackets, the switch cap. For me, it's a very off-putting fan. Overall, though, I do like this fan a lot, and I would totally have this installed, if not for the fact for that little switch cap rattle. Kind of a strange design to have it like that, I gotta be honest. Looks like we're just coming to a stop here now. This, I believe, came with a set of 3 fans, but I couldn't find the other 2. I want to guess they may have been Passport 3s as well. But this was the only one that the Restore had left. We'll do 0 to high here. But yeah, this thing is dead silent and nearly wobble-free, despite the blades being a little out of whack. But overall, I'm very happy with this fan. I do like this fan a lot. So anyway, that'll do it for now. So there you have it, the Hunter Passport 3. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.